This manifold valve will inflate and deflate both air springs using two 1/4 inch NPT intake and two 1/4 inch NPT exhaust ports. Ports connecting the airline to the air springs are 1/4 inch NPT, while the ports connecting the airlines to the air gauges are 1/4 inch NPT. The robust internal solenoid valve structure maximizes flow rates and guarantees operation up to 230 psi for millions of cycles. Provides seamless installation and reliable operation. Included in this kit are also two 2500 style airbags, a dual needle gauge dash panel with two 3-position momentary rocker switches, 50 feet of 3/8 inch outer diameter nylon hose and 35 feet of 1/4 inch outer diameter nylon hose with their respective fittings to connect them to the manifold. Ideal kit for a 2-corner air suspension system.